Its value has been recognized by cultures around the world for thousands of years. Since its discovery, gold has been a highly desired commodity and has played a major factor in the world's development and economy. And today, it continues to be used by governments, central banks, and individual investors alike as a storehouse of wealth and value.
Gold has value for a variety of reasons. There's really several key elements of demand. First, you have jewelry demand, which is quite significant and the largest of all the demands. Secondly, you have industrial demand. Gold is used in almost every form of electronics, from cell phones to refrigerators and toasters. You also have investment demand, where individuals are buying bars and coins and other forms of gold. And then lastly, the central banks. They've switched around from selling gold into the market to buying gold to support their various currencies.
In today's world, political unrest, weak currencies, inflation threats, and ongoing economic uncertainty are the new normal. Many financial experts agree the traditional asset allocation strategy of diversifying investments among the three asset classes of stocks, bonds, and cash is simply not working. Gold, however, has historically been considered a safe haven for investors seeking to balance their portfolios during times of economic stress and uncertainty.
If one asset class goes down, the theory is that you want another asset class going up so that the entire portfolio is producing a real return. Well, gold is the only asset class that has no debt associated with it. Only gold is independent entirely of all these other asset classes. So many look at gold now as the fourth asset class: cash, stocks, bonds, and gold.
As one of the few financial assets that do not rely on an issuer's promise to pay, gold offers an investor refuge from widespread default risk and an alternative to changes in the value of other asset classes.
Think of it almost like an insurance policy. If cash, stocks, and bonds go down, you're going to be happy that you had something that was counterbalanced. But if gold goes down, more than likely the cash, stocks, and bonds went up, and you have a happy ending either way.
Once an investor has made the decision to add gold and other precious metals to their portfolio, a trusted source such as APMEX can provide them not only with information, but with a market in which to both buy and sell their precious metal holdings.
When our customers call and they're interested in buying gold or silver or other precious metals, sometimes the question comes up, well, should I buy today? Should I buy next week? Should I have bought 3 days ago? Gold is up, gold is down. Do I buy more? Do I buy less with my dollars? The question is, if you're looking over the next 3 to 5 years, it's not relevant about what I pay today. It's about getting the assets divided so that the demand across those assets keeps balance in the value of your portfolio.
APMEX was founded on the belief that investors deserved a more convenient way to purchase gold, silver, and other precious metals. As one of the largest online retailers of precious metal coins and bars, APMEX works with an unwavering dedication to putting customers first and providing investors with information, education, and access to the precious metal markets.
We have over 3,500 different forms of gold. It could be in a coin form or a bar form. And we explain to the customer, here's the differences between these so that they can make a decision. One carries certainly a lot more credibility in the marketplace because it's backed by governments in terms of coins. The other one perhaps is a little less expensive because you don't have some of those guarantees by governments. These are important questions that every single individual needs to decide as they determine how they want their gold investment to be manifested.
APMEX has an extensive collection of gold and silver coins and bars to choose from in a variety of sizes and price points. In addition, APMEX customers can choose to have their purchases delivered to and stored at a private and high-security depository.
Many individuals who purchase gold or silver or precious metals, they don't really have a convenient place to store it. So when you buy from APMEX, you can direct the company to send your product through Citadel onto a storage facility. This way, you don't have to come into possession, you're not exposed to the security risk, and it's all taken care of for you, and you receive monthly statements showing what your values are, what your balances are, and individual transactions.
APMEX customers can purchase gold and silver bars and coins by placing their orders on the APMEX website 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, or by calling and speaking with a knowledgeable account manager.
Many investors, when they look at their investment portfolio and they got cash, stocks, and bonds, it's a lot of paper. And in some cases, paper represents a company or a share in a company, or a bond represents debt instruments. But when you hold gold in your hand, that's yours.
APMEX, changing how the world invests in gold and silver. For more information, please visit apmex.com or call 1-800-375-9006.